So this is, I believe, the ultimate axle ever built. It has lockout hubs on it. It's got, well, these are the military, the United States military demands the Michelin tires, our two-piece wheels. And then we have central tire inflation in the big rubber hose. We have ABS in the covered line. We have severe duty brakes with high performance pads and calipers. And then we have our CTIS, ABS, and lockout hubs. Now, you can correct me in the comments, but I believe that's never been done before. And of course, you know, there's our logo on the axle. There's our logo on the axle. So anyway, this is our Pro 80 front, and it uses Ford ball joints, Ford U joints, all Ford consumable bearings on the outside, and Ford tone rings, Ford calipers, Ford pads, and then all Ford parts inside the Pro 80 housing. 11,000 pound capacity. Of course, this has no lift on this truck whatsoever, so there's no lift required. And the sway bar bushings are kicked out right now because it's under full droop. The Fox 2.5 shocks, mil-spec shocks are here. And then we have on the other side, the factory steering knuckles coming in, and you can see the ABS and the CTIS coming out and then going all the way up into the truck. And this is going to be an armored vehicle, and it's just going to be the ultimate front axle, I believe, that's ever been built. So this is our 18,000 pound rear axle, mounted to our double bead lock, and then you see the valve stem there. You can see how big the bearings are. The bearings are from the F-650 rear. So this is an 18,000 pound capacity rear. It has the severe duty brakes. It's got the central tire inflation on the bottom coming into the axle, the tube, the hoses going in. This is severe duty brakes, cross drilled and slotted rotors, and then our 315, which has been modified to adapt to our 617 gear ratio, and then our factory sway bar with three-way adjustability. And then we're middle plumbing the lines right now, so cleaning those up and getting this axle on. But same wheel mounting surface as a factory 550, but 18,000 pounds capacity. Isn't that something? So this is our 18,000 pound rear, our custom sway bar, our severe duty brakes, and central tire inflation. This is a military chassis going off to battle. Internal double bead locks inside, locking hubs, our heavy sway bar, 11,000 pound front axle, and CTIS, all ready to go on a straight up military chassis. And down the road she goes.